Hi, friends. I'm just going to jump on today and talk a little bit about what's been going on in my life. Yep, vacation mode has been on. I went to South Carolina, Myrtle Beach to hang out with friends and make art for about a week. And man, was that fun. Many of my friends from Intervals of Sanity were there. We did a live show. And then I came home and we started on Art Joy is Sharing, Art Journal Habit 2018, which is a prompt challenge that we do each year. I do with Shel C. But yeah, we played with lots of art materials and just had a great time for an entire week. So let me show you what I've been doing since I got home.
Hi guys, it's Peg and welcome to my creative space. These are stamps and papers and things that I have, my, what do they call this thing? Yeah, heat set thing. But this is my room as we walk in. I rarely have my room cleaned up because I'm working all the time and it's a working studio. So I did a major rehaul this week. I moved things around. So I thought I'd just kind of give you a brief overview. These are things that we salvaged out of the trash. My husband put them up for me and they store a lot of stuff. This counter was in here when we bought the place, but we remodeled it a little bit to hold more stuff. This is a cabinet that a friend of mine had made for me, and it holds lots of my stamps and things. And I use the top surface for my cutting surface. This is a small IKEA desk where, if I just have a small project I need to work on or, plan something out, I have place to stretch out on top of all of this storage, which is also IKEA. I have a lot of my storage above so that I can see what I have in containers, my dies. I have all of these drawers and things down here labeled so that I know what's in there. And moving on down here, you can see I have a auxiliary computer and monitor here where I can watch TV or, do an additional filming. There's some art from me and my friends. Those are shelving units from Target. And that's a corner desk from IKEA. If you were touring with me before, I had a couple of those big metal chrome racks, and I decided I wanted to move my sewing station around here. So that's what I've done, is I've moved my sewing situation around, rearranged all of this, because I used to have 3 of these big chrome racks across here. It was just oppressive. So now I have a nice desk workspace. I still have plenty of storage here in this corner for all of that kind of stuff. I may be changing some of that out yet, but for now it's okay. I have my stencils hanging up and I have a lot of those bits and pieces and scraps in those containers there. This is my wall of shame where I have a bunch of stuff like shower curtains so that if I'm doing something real messy I can throw those down. The backups for my computer stuff, more art from me and my friends, little bits and pieces of stuff. Then we come on down to, these are my pens and small storage and inks and, all of that kind of stuff that everybody has, right? This is my messy work area. As you can tell, I'm doing a journal page every day, and so I've got all this stuff out here on my desk. This is where I videotape. This is a small camera that I have over my workstation, and this is a small 360 laptop that I use for most of those videos. And I hope I'm not making you sick yet, but this is where I work on a daily basis. This is in my basement, and it suits me fine because it's about a third of the basement space that we have here, I think. But yeah, I'll give you some shots of the ugly while I was doing stuff. If you don't want to see that, close your eyes. And that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed my mini tour, and I'll see you again for those daily challenges. Bye for now.